together because now one person will keep anything in mind. Now one person will believe in peace. Now one person will believe in dialogue. Even though they believe in justice. Yes, because we all want justice. Like what we ask for now the SLBC, where we say we want justice because the justice we ask for though. It be there with we. Though it be there at the back because not at the committee, but it also believe in peace. Believe say when something that happen in that peaceful manner. Giving a one person where you do something now, yeah, the next 5 to 6 hours you meet for talk to her. You open up for talk to you. Now, person when you keep anything in mind, nobody know the way go AC and up saying that this dividend one throughout the over 18 years where you don't spend a day from the SBS to the SLBC. Nobody know the way go AC and saying that this dividend one. If they tell you the truth, yes, then the person will know of that. I remember on the 26th, in and somebody be a previous conversation, I will call on that, but we're going to mark for you. You know what happened to you. And me and one person, but we're going to mark for you. You know what happened to you. And me and one person, to be honest, as I wake in the morning, the first way I do now for talk to God. To be honest, as I wake in the morning, the first way I do now for talk to God. The first person I talk to when I wake in the morning, now for talk to God. But I don't know what type of that day because I be talk to when I wake in the morning, now for talk to God. But I don't know what type of that day because I be late. Where's I grab I late. I just go take bath and go. I just go take bath and go. Yeah, me as I be honest, me yeah, me as I be honest, me message to the Believe family, especially in mommy, in wife and in Pekin, to the Believe family, especially in mommy, in wife and in Pekin. I want to say, Osh, don't I mourn like people when I believe her. When I for believe say God na ingi na in don't take. And when God don't give, he don't take. You don't need for mourn like somebody where no get faith. And God, I strongly believe say, and also other person we not sabi, but the person I don't know over 18 years, I believe say, yes, we're not for judge, but I assure in family members say, David, he didn't have the bosom of maker. The way give and don't take. And David definitely you go to heaven.
Mina Esther Kabia, finance assistant of the SLBC. Well, for David Williams, me know I'm doing it 10 way I come inside SLBS. During that 10 days, what's that? I know David Williams during SLBS time. During that 10 day is late auntie when I'm Mrs. Federica Mansae been there as we staff superintendent during SLBS time. So bring David come work na SLBS. We work with David up till the time SLBS close. We come to SLBC, we all enter back inside SLBC. David na a quiet young man. David get training. David he respect person. As he don't see you, so he respect you. And anytime I meet up out of SLBC, as he see me, so Esther, David was so nice. Nice young man. We don't get problem with people and since we know I'm at SLBC, up to SLBC. Let God sorrify and let his soul rest in perfect peace. So the family, we say us, una take her.
My name is Daphne Zainab Kamara. I'm a television producer at SLBC TV. I come for no David, who started for work here in 2012 again, with the institution turned to a corporation. But David now be like a brother to me. Now somebody we very cool and calm. David, I not ever see I get problem with forcing. And somebody we a nice, a caring. And one person way be they look after me after I be sick and return. So it be always a caution me on my food intake and sugar intake and all for make sure say no more there on me guard. Because he always tell me say that way, and not go while you left me go. Do you have big? Not drink boku sugar, not drink boku cold water. If he does say I drink, as I don't drink one, he say no, he do. So like David, another kind caring person, we always there by person. I not ever see usa una. The only say una go arguments na for work and na for let you be professional and for be perfect. I go miss David. My heart shatter into pieces where I rebo David in that one. Where I see David Lidom, I feel so bad. And with a fight for better conditions of service, will make me heart shatter more. Because where we gonna the host where they talk about David impotence of his salary where they get, it break me into pieces. And I want to make David know say the fight is still on. We go win him for his sake. Rest in peace, my babu. Bye bye.
William Knuckles, webmaster for Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, and me like somebody we don't work with David because we all are technical people there. David purely or we know specifically say he into the filming area as camera person, camera operator, but now versatile somebody again because he kind of multitasked inside the media and making me know David for. We really miss him. Not just because of in technical talents we get, but the guy is a friend, is a brother, is a father, you know. Now, father, we really see the love he gets for people, the respect we get for people, and we miss him so much. Even as a nation, we don't lost somebody. And they pray that God will continue for cover with your own grace, because that's not the final side we walk in cry to and pray to. You know, now possibly hardworking, a loving job, and you get respect for people. You know, we see the video post they make palaver and I know even if it's something hot they deal with that situation with maturity. That are the kind of post we know for this. So we miss them so much as an institution, and we will continue for say we said the same with condolence to the family, Serbia, and Allah we all ush.
Mina Francis Bernard, a Mina producer and presenter and service. David in loss. David not only be a colleague in our office, but to some extent, David don't be a family member to me. David is the trusted photographer for my husband. My man I possibly not like picture. Not only David now able for put and down a snapper. David every event when my family gets, now David will be the call. Because of his professionalism, because of his decency, because of his good attitude. Me and my family go miss David. David, I don't get much for say because the God will give you to we, now I don't take you the time we not expect. But David, this is painful. This is very painful, not to this, me in particular, be they expect from you and staff and even people will know you. Because you now be that one person where you will give you all, everything good. Now you will stand for. You were a perfectionist. And look how you waste, your life waste. Look how you go, your life go. David will love you even in death. We love you. I love you and I will miss you. Rest in peace, my brother. You are a champion. You died as a hero, David. Rest in perfect peace. You loved the camera and you died with your camera. Rest in peace, David.
Mina Joseph Toure, Mina acting script editor now Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC. Well, David where we lost somebody we na me friendly person to every member of this newsroom. David me legging work. Me really dedicated to the camera unit. And whenever you ask David for work with you, whenever you ask and say, David, I get this story idea, and I will ever deny for go cover human interest story. And he good at what he do. Very professional. Run good pictures, good sound, and he really get niche for in area. When David film for you, when you see I did not say now real professional on film. David be friendly with everybody. You hardly hear a person say, David, don't offend me, don't do this. Now me people's person. That's why we really miss him as a newsroom, as editor, as reporters, everybody in the newsroom. We will really miss David. Salon and the media profession don't miss somebody. We really great priority in the room. David, sleep on and take your rest.
Hello everyone. I joined the rest of Sierra Leonean staff of SLBC and members of the family of David Williams to express my sincere condolence to the loss of our brother. David was like a brother to me because a lot of people says we look alike. So since he came to the SLBC, I give an open hand to him. I remember back in the days around 2005, I undergo a training with a group called ScriptNet from UK. And after the training, we are taught how to shoot documentary, TV commercial and fiction film. Came back to the office, I started having pressure because they see that my work is different. And a lot of reporters, producers, they want to work with me. And I was overworked. And David came a few years after to like relieve me. So it's like I was so happy that David is around. I've got another partner. Because you don't need to be selfish. So we have been working together, ranging from presidential program to any other important event. We've been covering it together. Yeah, I remember before he was assigned to the office of the president, we usually make fun with people who play a lot of tricks. It's like there are some people who will call him, said, "Oh, David, I want you to come and cover this program. If you don't come, I don't want anyone." He will send me. Say, "George, go and represent me." Me too, I will do the same to him. I will send him to represent me.
Slbc Tv humbatisia ba nyama Ibrahim Kumagwa adwa kepe nguto kumabe ngabeta yibu bisi anda biawe kutuma na habele mufuma ta aji hebe yan tana mima maiba yakami tusoto na abunyela tule pana gometi da ko we opomaga yetima na we hende na shi anganya ukote to yogoya chani ko pe hende na shi kebe vijia Africa Rise Salonta tugo na tugo bo agete ya ko we nule Misia ande na sia na we ma ko bot bai kisia bi na we ho de sia te ya jamana ko te go akigi ke ga nugama na we nuga tele bu de sia ba ko we ye de sia sia pe tu ku da kuma na ba melo tane ne wa ma dia na we hi man ma bla ati be ko betima ke be bi nuge ye pe kisia na we hi digoma hande sia ba ko we tu ku te ko bi sia yetima se lo na sia ko
be gina sente ya yi Indonesia na we ye ndi na sia kwe anganya wo tu yo kwa ye happy no ko we tu buti ko bi it masi abe bi tele bu ndi sia ugo la lu ko bi pada dwe to ye ko lu awunji dia na we Africa Rising Salon tu bona tu bu bo agite ya ko we nulele no misia ke ma hu ko bi te ya bo manga ye happy sia na we apie digoma ndi sia ago la lu kuma sia lolu na we ye hu ba te sia to ko we te da lu kuma to ti ya mi lo ti di ke ye de to 1963 na we ko we tabi abi na si ata bo tu nga te le bu de sia ogu la lu kuma ko we igbele ke di le eye duwe to ye ko lu akunje Deputy Minister na we na Transport Aviation Kumbatesia ba Rex Bonafa ugulonata ogo agitia yiku huju ko we motogia desia ye Kumbatesia sia tada malukuma ko we te gutu goma agia grima bla ati parliamentary committee na we na Transport Aviation Kumbatesia ba na we ko we motogia desia sia tukuti da lukuma ko ma ye dwedima to ye community to we lo mia do athletic ye hotel wa na pedo salote dia na we hi bla ati be ti ye Kumbate bibi wana ko we to hi ne moli na seta butuku aguya na we agu ko ma ye dwedima digoma hande sia sia gutu da lukuma to dia na we hi civil society Kumbate sia ba na we ti be ko we to ye sia sia tuku aguya ti da lukuma ye Kumbate ji to 2019 na we ko we ta to hi motogia hande sia tukuti da lukuma na we makata wago ela ngatile bu hande sia sia ugo la lukuma dwe to ye Kumbate ji bu huje te amelo na ti de ke na bi kometita egene mo ko we to bihi motogia hande sia sia tukuti da lukuma to bu ministry amelo e pe ko hiju ye na ba melo ye hande sia sia tugu na ti ya motogoma adia bima bla ati ko we ye hande sia sia tuku agoya motogia hande sia na we ugo la lukuma makata wago ela ngatile bu hande sia ugo la lukuma bi pada dwe to ye ko lu ahunji Kumbate ya na we hin salon local contest consultation tugu na ti ya motogoma adia bima bla ati ko we ye community to na we hin kugo be ahima sawa ye community to na we ko we hande na si anganya ugo nga tugo ya ko we sia be bi tile bu hande sia ugo la lukuma to ye committee Kumbate na we tuku agoya te pelo na handaga kiniva na we hi ke ma hugo committee sia bi te ya ko maga ye ya na we funi isi ati ko we sia be bi te ya di ma de sia te ya ma yo na we sia be tele bu mu de sia ugo la lukuma dwe to ye Kumbate ji bu nji local contest constitution Kumbate sia na we tu we agia bima bla ati te amelo na ti e pe handaga to ye ka go minister to we agia na we hi blogger ati ko we te handaga kini la lukuma na we hi ye workshop go minister ko we cyber security Kumbate sia ba kebe Free Criminal Act 2021 na we ye sana sia satagula ti giala ko we vagaba to ye Kumbate ji bu hu ye numuna na gumu agi project agi Joseph Sano ogulo na ta ogogo agiti ye ku hu ko ye kago midima ye kago midita to uma du ko to mi ede na sia na we ayi social media ba bima na we no gesi atega ta ye ede na seta ko agiti ya itonya wi ko we ye de Jesus ya kwa tu ti diala ogo opo ma ye dragma to ye ke ma hu go lo ye sa na ta ye act na ta tu diala na we hi ba ga de Jesus ya ago ola ko ma opo
Masema ala tasumita SLBC ya kempu kale amenya na binese na sema ngake ya kotona ngiti peta ke ni kai mai ba community de du tonton no ka kwa metsa ba katraba tu mai ba kai ma du ma kena me ina de sila ta mate ba ko ka kutano muyo ma ku kati ma du ma kena me ma Africa Rising Sierra Leone ni ma kutande ba katraba na kwena na bia bikole na sila ta mate ba ko ka te kai ba halu na de kunki no tema ni mahawa de abeni ba matani ma ya kukapunkia alu na matebe ni ba kwe na hawa de ka kwe tumbani abeni ba mai beni ba na be konda do ba masir ma kuntem Kabia bidonge ga wen ko mo ba bide kunko ba halu ka wen ko ga is ka kempo do kare ba katara ko amenti a interponta hawa ko yuma mo iba community tare na observe ga do bidonga ka kempo do kare bide kunko le banon na seteni kapati ben na tare na timo sete na betemba mandi bande kahe de serata na te ba no masiri mama ba katara be ba upita kotona kai kapati ben na kabeni ba ina ko ne ba ima dungi makena me mana ukai akotsoe kabina bidungi gane bi ka uhen kude kabe ba upita kotso be ni ba ma fo kabe ba hena hele ko bi dohan Africa Rise Sierra Leone bile buhi makuta ni ba katla ba ku katika ya beni ba ngakwe nga gabia bibole ba no na bile ditega madungi ma hawa ni ba ku kanota abeni ba matani mang ina bile ku ki ba halu beni ba matebe na oni yuho da kana kwe ngambani akwe le wiwi bine ba ku ka diteka ya ma wali mama ba ni ba ku ka kuna le no kwete ba ki ga ngakwe nga gabia bibole bile buhi makuta ni mama ka headquarter of the Council of Churches in Sierra Leone, Kauhenkuga Kenema Road. Kabine bisera tabantiri bakalani bimbi bam bimondi tikaino kataponta hawa ni tisanda ko le na civil society bi ni walkai requirement private sector ba halu ba kukatia sarani ga beni ba nota ko na bibole na ne so nte in na ngakwere kai akotwe kaponga hambani bi kuputse ni ma non amle kwe kabe we ba bileti yonko ba katama wali mama bani akotsoe impete ba bile kahiga beni ba ngakwe nga be bibule yo buku ba kuna hunu ha na bilisiga ta mate ba ne na taba ba kuka nyama yubu ba halu ta konta tani totse bebe na unkai akotsoe Executive Director Center for Coordination of Youth Activities Abigail Steven de Kunkoi ba halu ko hambani ba dikayo no kabeni ba na kwere nga gabia bibole ba kukatensa de kama wali mabdeni ina bdenote wali ma yoy ingunu hamba kuka sonna no kotemba de kai ba ki kai ba bia sisi tadnya banda foma na blesi gata batiba ne wali ma yoy kana kwere nga gabia bibole ko bine do ana African Liberation Day ba na taba Kenema sector la katarabia vitali balundin oyemtso minister kabiani bala kapon hambani bete salan bamba makusani mabu ibinde ba halu ba kuka ro no beni basia ba bide dekesi imbani walkaiga wali mama ndi ba kuka ditika ibanda nataba ba halu takon tatana tenka ya koto ya kwerenku bandara ba ta no masilma kwerenku wa salu po na Sierra Leone local content consultative stakeholders de Sierra Tabante ba kukadeng kitsa non beni batsati so community ba hago ba de tekai ba kalami ben non ka po ha ba ni ga beni ba kama kutsani mago ibile ya kempu kare kabile bi Sierra Tabante be ba de sire non ku mase de kumba ni palemba pansai masiri manga nkalenki ino Sierra Tabante ba ku katsona non abde ku dektare mo wali makena men kan kalenki kinka kwere se ba halu ba ditekai ba bile ipari masiri mambe kama kusali mabu bile ba ku kaditekai non kasirani ba tie bile ga beni ba bile bile gan kalenki ba bani wali ba halu na katsima wali makena mema sa president Joseph Sano de Kokoi bano na sile tabete ba kukata na bia mbe bang ba kukadetitere na de kate wali makena men kano onte bibu togonde na bele dungu masiri kankalenki ma bani wali be beni ba fu ma be Sierra Tabante ba bele kukatone non ka sira ni ba teni bi de ba ka crime act ka 2021 kana bele se ga beni ba kankalenki ba ko pansani masiri ma kapo hamba ni onde te Association of Bloggers in Kabukata Nobile ba halu na de katima wali makena me manga kweli tena pina masina mba ile wakati wao na pinta kule dentale kai moiba community la wenko ya kista kempu kale ile duku kutonto mba halu na de lu masila beni ba kume enu kunule ni madume makena me na me kai ya kotsoi Africa Rise Sierra Leone makutsani ba halu ba no nataba ba pukatsana no be ni ba ngakwena ngakula bikole ba punkano tamaduni makena mema abeni ba matani ma imba pukia ba katala matebe mana mende tamaduni ma hawa ni tena pile masema ka SLBC ya amidumbia ona dona ingambe na fuma anga dole katene
iko ika bastano ba funa wati afọ na ika amba kusnado mi ba ka amba pa dio ka do kanti ngani apo ifanete na ka kwa me tanto yi ekumpelo mi sarata kakli chuma pepanenga osum ati ka amba kutanga ato yi mata malo mame ainti ka ka amba kutanga tengani wa ataita pe ngatim pa so pa na ka amba kutanga tengani ado le finale afmani anti ba ka de ka ti ka te ma pa ado ngari owa ma da ma de tete woni a de pa de boy to tsili nga ma wo ebe ktia ma eto finga ka fino wa ti mo ko no te tsa ka karan anto yi e uche on salata ka bagu ka mo to vanto yi ka mo fino ngoli ka to tsili andu ka nga ami tsanta ma ibe tkan tuma pempa to tsili wa tem ka fino wa ti ma ba ne ma tema yi mi ayo ma ka lu CCSL ka do ido ka pe ka do king hama wa ka magpane ma tsama di rasata afma panbana yu de mpakma paske ka be ka yi to for te fino nduko ka ti mo eshi ku society anto enquirement afma lomi aso ka take pa yi fino ka be ka ni anto yi ko no to ko dudi ka magpane ma tsama ka ka so choi so takulu ati ampuyo anto yi most of menga akaso ba iso agreement consultative stakeholder for me wa ngani aka ametima ame ayoka tana ba poka so timo so ekumpe yi esasi iduku ka ani kinga tangani ni be ni ayo pa ka ametima maybe ka manga mapane mati ayoka kare na ki ametama ayo manye ni be ni ayo ma salata kama buli so tani ka so but so ta yati tafino taguti awon su ani na tinga ma yo mapan pito mapan manto ikata ka ki ambai kama beli nang cuma botunga ma salata kama cai cina beli ka ebu siata yang magbane ma temangi afmai iso kan ka so bika so fati tafina ka tema ka ni abanga ngani ka onto nga oluka content ngani ka afmai ka bakata do mo ibai ani apo ifaneta ma ka kwa me tanto I ekumpelo me kama abe panenga adundana anto I mata me ai tiksatari pito man tanto I kabusa kai me kama tension tubuli do ku kazi so ani ki ani anata atira Afrika razi Sierra Leone nga sanka so silamiti salata kakli kabika tu aban bananga mai ti ki kama pakzum ka butsa yati mi tafina ma sort of TV koko dudi amsini anamsisi nadaka katana kibu na Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation television patwan
SLBC TV Freetown Fambolo na money no this na the use me cat in the corner but first me give na the big use my back community don big for make the road them for them with all that kind of facility the way they not get na the community and Africa Rising Salon do all one meeting inside the wallet peace day inside all the African country them. Now for the youth proper one. People that return na Moiba community na Eastern part inside Freetown don't beg of our government and other organization them for support them for make the own community the way they by way them will push that good business and talk for make peace go dey inside then different community and country then they think for that program then a borderless Africa and then the all na the headquarter na the Council of Churches inside Salon where then a Kenema road where people can call CCSL. That meeting they be bringing plenty stakeholders from different sides the way na civil society, government and the private area them for talk how them go push the one world for the inside African country for big development good day. This meeting here so them in series so talk about the problem and good thing them where they get where African country then get the kind of idea where they get to make more opportunity to come for let them join and type of the business so that Africa will find for all man. The executive director for Center for Coordination of Youth Activity, Abigail Stevens, say that meeting then na dey Africa then we go talk about the thing them wey dem can dey do and the thing them wey dem no dey carry on dey do all this thing and for make the transport sector find one lay dey in line with Salone Civil Aviation Policy 2019 wey na for make sure say dem make one fine framework wey go help for let the aviation go get safety and security and people go able for know the kind of work wey dem dey do. When they talk on the theme when government's vision for a resilient transport aviation sector, the deputy minister talk say that meeting day with all them different people there with them don't own for let them see how them go fix digital and technical building them where them go seriously develop one action plan where go develop that particular aviation sector. They find one. And Salone local content consultative stakeholder forum don't make 3 subcommittee them inside one meeting with them be all during the second quarter inside Freetown. Then committee also they expect them for support the Kenema team them where the agency they do where now for pay attention to Salone people them in for second way where they go able for help them for develop and work business, how they go get work and how they go get contract. This local content consultative stakeholder meeting then make them from the local content act we say all stakeholders then go talk but way and manner where they go do for push the difference in the world they make inside Salone we go help for push Salone young couple business way before. And the Salone Association of Bloggers together with the Office of the Attorney General Minister of Justice don't organize them first training for bloggers them. This training also been gather plenty bloggers them from different media area them all about inside the country. They seriously call some journalists them for the part of that training the workshop. They mean Center and Cyber Security and Crime Act 2021 where go teach them how them for use the media responsible one. The Salone Association for Bloggers President Joseph Sano say this training also na for seka the old way they be the old some blogger them for seka the kind of post way them can post way some not to two, some like they cost people and they and some na lie seriously talk say that particular training day na for give blogger them capable sense make them go know more about the Cyber Security and Crime Act 2021 and know how them go to use the social media with the kind of thing they read in the post. As this particular training a pilot phase, the Salone Association for Bloggers them say the same kind of training here so they go find for make them carry on with other parts them inside the country. Well, family they used done so, but before I go na the big use they want them more. My back community within at the east end of Freetown, don't they ask government and other organizations for help them with facility they will not get more like the road we not find for them at the community. And the African Rising Salone don't all one meeting outside they want make sure say all the African country they responsible for their community and see how they will push land book and talk for make peace day all about inside Africa. My family they used done so. I hope you will get a blessed weekend. I want for wish all we Muslim them happy Eid al-Fitr tomorrow and they pray that we will get a blessed weekend. Continue for listening and look at Slbc. Tata.
Discover Sierra Leone, a hidden gem of West Africa, where the rhythms of life dance in harmony with the beauty of nature.
Feel the heartbeat of our culture in every beat of the drum, in every step of the dance.
Experience the tranquility of our shores, where each sunrise brings new stories and endless possibilities.
Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of our daily life, where every color tells a tale and every face a friend.
Come, be enchanted by the sights and sounds of Sierra Leone.
A place where your adventure awaits
And memories are made.
We are the national broadcaster, and I am Sulaiman Baba Toure, a reporter and presenter at the SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
From the commercial department, I am Regina Bangura. You are watching SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
I am Jonathan Turner, a reporter for Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC. As a reporter, I do stories on education, health, politics, and more. Stay glued with SLBC to watch my stories. Your voice, my voice.
Lucian Ganda, producer Wayus, and producer and presenter Christian Editions on TV. This is the SLBC.
I am William Wise, presenter Wayus and also reporter at the SLBC. And this is the SLBC.
I am Salma Tabak, television executive producer. I produce programs on both radio and television. I'm a news anchor, a presenter, an announcer on radio. I enjoy what I do because I serve a public service broadcaster. It's a pleasure to work with the SLBC. I am Tilly Koma, Head of News and Current Affairs Unit, Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. Our news hour now covers several segments. We have entertainment, business, weather, sports, ferry schedule,